Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to work on some balloon tracking or visual tracking. All right. I know that some of you are probably planning to go out and do some deer hunting. All right. And if you, all right, get one, you have to track it. All right. There's no snow. Might be a little more difficult. Okay. So we have to visually track. We worked on throwing, underhand throw. We worked on some catching. All right. And this will help your eye-hand coordination. Okay. So as long as you can follow, all right, whatever object you're trying to catch, football, maybe you're trying to track a tennis ball, all right, you're keeping your mechanics down and keeping your eye on the golf ball, baseball, softball. So any type of sport, hockey, soccer, any type of sport where an object is going to be, all right, projected to or from you, all right, you got to keep track of it, all right? You got to know where it's at, all right? Because you don't want to get hit by it, all right? And you don't want it to get past you and it score a goal or something like that. So we're going to use balloons, all right? They're slow moving. The helium ones, they'll just keep going up, so don't use those, all right? You got to blow these up, or have mom and dad, all right, blow the balloon up for you, okay? And plus, they're really good at tying them off. So I just got a simple balloon that I blew up, all right? And all we can do, we can throw it up and then we can track it, okay? We can keep, all right? We can use our hands like paddles, all right? And we just have to follow. It's slow moving, and so we have a great opportunity to be like, oh, you know, I'm having a good day. Oh, how's your day? Okay, good. And we can still catch it before it falls down. So it's a slow moving. This is a great way to introduce, all right, and perfect, all right, your visual tracking skills, all right, watching your hand make contact with the balloon, all right, and you can volley this back and forth in the living room, all right. This kind of goes back to using socks instead of a ball inside, all right, to play catch or to play ball toss or turkey toss, whatever game you're playing. This isn't going to probably break anything, which is a good thing, right? All right, mom and dad, grandma and grandpa, they don't want stuff broken around the house, okay? So, all right, just keep track of it, literally, where it goes, all right? Move your eyes. You don't always have to move your body, but if you're moving your eyes to see the balloon, then you can track it, okay? Now, can you make this a little more challenging? Absolutely. And guess what we're going to do? We're going to add a balloon, all right? Yeah, they're a little bit different size, but that's okay, all right? And you can hit two of them up. Oh no! It fell. And you got to keep an eye on each one. All right? A little more challenging, but again, because they travel, they move slowly, it's a little easier. If we were doing this with a basketball, we probably wouldn't be able to do it. If we were doing this with a baseball, I'd hope that we were juggling. Okay? So, uh-oh, it hit. But guess what? We pick it up. We try again. So, yeah, tracking, visual tracking, following the object, all right, and its flight pattern, its path with your eyes, all right? So not actually keeping your eye on the ball, but looking at the ball wherever it goes, okay? I hope that really helps you. I think it will improve your eye-hand coordination. And, you know, for volleyball, baseball, hockey, soccer, whatever sports you're going to play, it's definitely something that if you improve, you'll be better at that sport, all right? So have fun. Have a great week. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.